Thank you for taking time to get to know more about boarding at Denstone College. It's a pleasure to bring to you snippets of our community, boarding facilities and the experience of our boys and girls. We would though love to welcome you here to the college in person and to give you the opportunity to see us in action.
Boarding at Denstone's great because I'm not just here for an education, I'm here for so much more.
The facilities at Denstone are amazing. We've got the swimming pool, we've got the gym, we've got the track.
Boarding allows you to do certain things on your own and develop skills that you'll need later in life.
A good friendship consists of spending time with each other and building good memories, and boarding just supports that.
It also makes you communicate with more people and form more friendships and get to know boys and girls.
To be with your friends and to do the activities is really amazing, and it's so much fun.
This is more than access to tutors and facilities to extend and support the education of the day. It's also the life lessons our boys and girls learn. It's the underlying attributes such as confidence, resourcefulness and self-awareness which fast-track the skills we need to build for and throughout life.
Being a boarder at Denstone is really going to prepare me for university because of the independence that it's given me.
Because you're used to living by yourself and you have to do stuff independently.
I've gained the independence of working by myself, but also making new friends in boarding.
If you are also excited by this vision of education and living weaving together, the preparation this holism offers for future life and work, and the chance to be part of a close and caring community where you will lose count of those who have your back, you must come along and find out more about us.
I highly recommend coming to Denstone College as a boarder. It's provided me so many fantastic opportunities.